Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. What up, guys? It's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today, breaking news. Cardano's ADA, as we speak, is sitting at 14.8%. This is incredible. Crazy big moonshot at 14.8 cents a price, surpassing now Bitcoin SV with a $3.8 billion market cap, and SV on the 7th place, sitting at $3.5 billion market cap. This is crazy. I mean, Shelly's fork is right around the corner. People are investing in ADA like crazy. I mean, 4 months ago, Cardano was sitting at 2 cents in March. For those that got in back then, this might be the smartest decision you have ever made. This is incredible. From a 2 cent per token to 15 cents right now as we speak, only in crypto, these types of gains can happen. This is incredible. Bitcoin Cash is in the 5th position, but ADA is just a click away from there pretty much. I mean, $3.8 billion market cap. Bcash is sitting at $4.6 billion market cap. That's not far off. I mean, ADA, with this momentum, can easily surpass Bitcoin Cash. And even XRP, it just might steal the 3rd position in the next few months. This is incredible. So what do you think about the price of ADA hitting a new all-time high in the next few months, or even towards the end of the year? Do you see a $2 ADA, as the all-time high was $1.33? That was back in January 4th, 2018. Do you see a $2 ADA by the end of the year? And then the only way from there might be up. The total supply is only 31 billion, and the circulating supply right now is just shy of 26 billion ADA. With this kind of market cap, I mean, that is insane. This token will make a lot of people rich during the next bull rally. Of course, this is no financial advice, all opinions, but just remember this: 2 cents back in March, 14.8 cents right now as we speak. What a momentum. Next, we have got a trader who saw Bitcoin's last crash, predicts a coming huge Bitcoin bull run, but there is a catch. The Bitcoin trader who saw Bitcoin's crash back in 2019 predicts that a huge BTC bull run is on the horizon, but not before it shakes out market participants. In a new Twitter thread, crypto strategist Dave the Wave tells his 33,000 followers that while he believes that Bitcoin will eventually break out of its current range and launch a new bull cycle, he expects the largest cryptocurrency to go through a significant correction first. Based on the pseudonymous trader's chart, the King coin may dip as low as $6,900 before recovering and breaching the diagonal resistance of the multi-year triangle. He says that his short-term bearish view would be invalidated if bulls managed to send the top cryptocurrency above $10,600. Dave says that a convincing breach of the long-term resistance will propel Bitcoin to $100,000 before the end of 2022. Insane. Dave is not the only analyst who predicts a plunge in the near term, as Backroot's co-founder and crypto investment advisor Ryan Scott says that BTC would not be out of the woods even if it breaks out on the multi-year consolidation, saying, quote unquote, that no matter what, as a real heads up for all of those who are hyper bullish on BTC, if this breaks out of this range at some point, there will likely be an insane shakeout wick that violates what you consider is the lowest low that could be violated for market structure. Amazing. He picked up on an early crash back in 2019. Remember when BTC shot up to $14,000? This is the dude that was calling out a $3,000 Bitcoin right after that. And then boom, it happened. And now he is predicting another crash to $6,900. So for those of you who are thinking right now that BTC will never get back to these levels, think again, because this is crypto. Anything could go. And that kind of a dip, $6,900, will be an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there to get in. For those of you who can't afford to buy BTC right now. Then again, no financial advice, all opinions. But yeah, he then calls on, after this last shakeout of $6,900, he predicts a $100,000 BTC by the end of 2022. That will be an epic run. I mean, people have been calling for a 100K BTC for a while now. For that to come into a reality will change a lot of people's lives. Lastly, we have got Binance now is sending out its debit cards. Binance's move into the payment card space takes a flight as cards go out for delivery. After months of waiting, planning, and testing, Binance has begun delivering its debit cards to customers. This started shipping in limited quantities as of yesterday, I heard Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ, said in a July 25th tweet, responding to a community member interested in the product. Previous reporting shows in August launch for the card in European regions, so it can be inferred. CZ means shipping to European customers at this time. Cointelegraph reached out to Binance for additional details but received no response as of press time. This article will be updated accordingly should a response come in. The company proceeded to acquire crypto debit cards business Swipe according to a July reporting, using the acquisition in tandem with its plans for Binance Card. CZ tested out of the payment option in July, revealed in a July 10th Twitter post as part of the product's initial experimentation. By July 14th, Binance publicized its plan for an August card launch in certain European regions, touting compatibility with 4 digital assets, including Binance's BNB asset. So CZ's recent tweet shows further development on Binance's card, which has been in numerous headlines in July. Binance itself posted a plethora of headlines in 2020 amid a wild year. Yes, indeed, 2020 has been a wild year, even crazier for crypto, as BTC crashed to 3,600 and it is back up to 9,600 within a space range of about 4 months, and it has been trading sideways for the last 2 to 3 months, like right after the halving. So this has never been seen before. But yeah, what do you guys think about Binance new debit cards out there? So that might be incredibly easy for customers who don't want to do KYC and all of this other stuff. People who have been trouble getting their crypto out of these exchanges, you can just use Binance cards to buy whatever you want, and these debit cards will be international, so you can just use your crypto instead of cashing out. So that might be a good idea for those who have been having troubles cashing out from crypto to fiat. And on that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, for some daily crypto updates. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years.
True.
Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.